Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. This is the 1977 Ford pickup truck. This is our basically our resto mod or custom build. In a previous video we were talking about where we shared with you, we pulled the engine and the transmission out. It was one of those 351 modified motors. So we pulled that out, and then we have that donor truck, the 2017 Ford Coyote engine that we pulled out. So basically what we've done, quite a bit of work has happened since this update that we're sharing with you right now. We've got a little bit of a slideshow. We had the original suspension, and then we lowered it 3 inches, and we had airbag mock-up, because you can see, hopefully the wind isn't going to affect our microphone. You can see on the back where we have the airbag in its lower position, and you can see it's quite a bit different here now, and different pattern wheel. What we've done is we didn't have enough clearance with our lowering suspension and our airbag to accept the Coyote motor and give us enough room to set it down basically almost on the ground in the lowest form. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pause here, and we're going to share with you some photos which shows taking out the original suspension that we had originally modified, and then it has the Crown Vic front end, and we'll come back as soon as you see the slideshow. Okay, so now we're back. We have the original beam, and I think the camera person can probably just kind of give you a shot from underneath here. This is now a Crown Vic police pursuit or police interceptor package. We basically got the whole front end from a police cruiser, and it has the steering rack built in, and we've got just the normal suspension right now. So it sits roughly 3.5 to 4 inches lower than the original Ford suspension did, and that's without doing anything with the airbag. So if we come back over to this side for a moment, you can see where it's quite a bit higher than the back if we stand here. The nice thing is there's an aftermarket company that provides basically it's a strut front that's airbag controlled with a coilover style built in. So what we're going to do is we've ordered that coilover setup with the airbag cylinder inside, and what we'll do is we'll remove the original Crown Vic Police Pursuit front suspension. We'll replace it with the airbag cylinder, and then this front of this 77 truck will go just as low as the back will, and give the really nice ride height that our client is looking for. And then if we come back over to the engine bay, now you can see that we were doing a mock-up on it, and we're really happy with the way everything is fitting. So we have the original inner fenders. We're probably going to clean things up. I think we're going to make our own inner fenders just to be cleaner. But you can see now we've got this Coyote motor sitting in here. So this is a 2017 Coyote 5-liter V8 out of a 2017 Ford truck, and it's now in the 77 truck. You can see we've got a decent amount of room here. That has the original exhaust manifold, the factory 2017 manifold. We're going to do probably long style headers, and it looks like there's going to be enough room for headers to fit in there. And then if you come over to this side, this is now the driver's side of the 77 truck, and we have twice as much room as we had before. And you can see this is the top portion of the Crown Vic suspension that's fastened to the body, and or to the frame, I should say. So what we've done is with this mock-up, we have it almost in the original place we want it to be in, and then we've changed a little bit in the front end. So this is the original 77 rad support. You can see we've made some modifications, just doing rough cutting for now, not the detail work, but we basically opened up part of the rad support. We fit the grill in just to get things lined up, and then all of the cooling system that you see right now, this is the 2017 Ford F-150 radiator. You can see the hoses. We did a mock-up. All of the cooling hoses are going to line up from the original 2017, and then we have the AC condensers in here from the original 2017, and in the front, once again, you see the transmission oil cooler. So we basically just did a heart transplant from the 2017 to the 77. We have the engine, transmission, the cooling system, transmission oil cooler, and it has it fits in here very nicely. You'll see on the passenger side firewall, we've removed the big bulky 77 air box. This truck is equipped with air conditioning, or was originally, and it had a bigger box with the quite a big unit there, and our client wants to have everything nice and clean, so we're going to remove this battery tray out of here. We're going to relocate the battery to the bed, and we're going to have this as clean as possible underneath. So the latest update, 77 Ford truck. We now have Crown Vic Police Pursuit front end and steering, and then we have the Coyote motor, 5-liter fuel-injected Coyote motor with the automatic transmission. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.